What's up, guys? Today we're gonna learn how to play this. Oh, what an intense song. You can see from the couple of mistakes that I made, I haven't completely nailed the song. But I know it enough to teach it to some of my students. One guy was learning it, and it was very cool. And it's a really good exercise for your picking hand. You can go down on the PDF if you want, and you can get the picking pattern and everything. But let me quickly go to a close-up just to show you the main parts quickly. Okay, so we've got capo on the 4th fret. It's in the key of E. We're using the C chords. Now, there's a couple of unique chords that they use in the song in the intro and the tags. It's a C and then a C6. Let me show you the shapes, right? There's a C6, so there's C, you know. A minor with the C in the bass is called a C6. Okay, just like that. And then a C major 7, but this specific shape. So you got C, and then you got this pinky here. And if you strum it, you'll see it will be. I'm not singing right. Anyway, okay, so chord C for the pre-chorus, D minor, C/E, and then F. And then the chorus is okay, so that's basically the chords. Okay, now the strumming pattern, if you want to strum the song, is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Now the picking pattern for the intro is going to be this thing, where the bass is going to go. Oh wait, let's just play a C chord. And with these notes in between, so you got. So you got, this is the place I'm going, no one knows me, it's not so lonely, it's necessary. It's almost impossible for me to sing and play this at the same time. Anyway. And then the pre-chorus I'm just going to strum, I'm not going to. Oh, the picking, if you do the pre-chorus and the chorus with picking, it's going to be. chorus would be the same with picking. But let's just do the picking chorus. Na, 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 na. And then with the E minor, you're going to do this one. There are some differences, but I would strum the chorus. We're just catching up release what builds up throughout the day, and it gets into your blood, gets into your blood. We can tell each other secrets and remember how. Really beautiful song. I really enjoy the way it works, and there's a really nice remix of it, I think. Okay, I think that's it. That covered it. It's a pretty nice kind of thing to have a chord stay the same, like a C, and then just have one melody go up. So you got ba ba ba, and then there's a ba. You can incorporate that in any song that you're learning. Like, let's say you've got writing a song. If you're writing it with D, you could just take one note in the D and just take it back. It just brings like a nice thing inside the chord instead of just staying on D. And then G, you could do this. Anyway, have a nice day, guys. Enjoy the lesson.